Just how big is big enough? Let's find out. If you're getting ready to buy a house, saving for a down payment is probably your biggest obstacle. I'm sure you have questions, so let's try to put some of those questions to rest. Being a first-timer, you're probably going to be very nervous. I know that I was. You're probably wondering, how does the whole home buying process work? Well, I have a chart that'll show you all the steps involved to buying a house. Send me a message and I'll get it right out to you. But the nagging question you might have is, how much do I need to save and where do I start? If that sounds a little like you may already have enough to get started, or you might be really close to having enough. Some say that 20% is the perfect amount to put down on a home. Like a lot of things, this is a common misconception. Nearly 1/3 of prospective home buyers think they need a down payment of at least 20% of the purchase price in order to buy a home. This myth remains one of the largest barriers to home ownership. Some loans do require a 20% down payment, but we're not talking about those today. And the median down payment hasn't been over 20% since 2005. There are some home loan types, like FHA loans, with down payments as low as 3%. There are also options like the VA loans for veterans and the USDA loans with no down payment requirements for qualified buyers. This is good news for you because it means you could be closer to buying your home than you realize. Down payment assistance programs can be a game changer. Across the USA, there are over 2,000 home buyer assistance programs, and the most are intended to help you get a down payment. In Massachusetts, we have something called the Mass Dreams Grant Program to help first-time home buyers get into a home. Not all home buyer assistance programs are for first-time home buyers. At the beginning of 2022, 1/3 of the programs did not have a first-time home buyer requirement. There are also location and profession-based programs you might qualify for. If this sounds like something you'd like more information about, send me a message. If you're looking for information about the Mass Dreams Grant Program, send me a message also. If you need a trusted local lender, someone you can be sure will be looking out for you, let me know. And as always, if you have a question about selling your current home or purchasing a new one on Boston's South Shore and in Plymouth County, give me a call. I'd love to help you. I'm Jim Aldred.